Hello students. Today in this video we'll discuss the Unit 1 MIS book, BBA third semester, Information System Business 2. So, in this video we'll discuss the Information System Business today note. So, role of Information System in business today. How information system are transforming business? Information system are transforming business by increasing the wireless technology use, websites, and by increased business use of Web 2.0 technology by cloud computing, mobile digital platform, allow more distributed work, decision making, and collaboration. Note: Web 2.0 technology means the user can add a live website on Yahoo, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Globalization opportunity. Globalization opportunity have play an important role in information system in business today, as internet has drastically reduced cost of operating on global scale and presents both challenges and opportunities. Third one is in the emerging fully digital form. Significant business relationships are digital enabled and mediated. Core business processes are accomplished through digital networks. Key corporate assets are managed digitally. Note: it includes online payment. 4. Digital firms offer greater flexibility in organization and management. Time shifting, space shifting. Fifth, growth interdependence between ability to use information technology and ability to implement corporate strategy and achieve corporate goals. So now, business firm invest heavily in information system to achieve 6 strategic goals. Business objectives. There are 6 strategic business objectives are operational excellence, new products, services and business model, customer and supplier intimacy, improved decision making, competitive advantage, survival. First one is operational excellence. Operational excellence helps to improve the efficiency to attain higher profitability. Information system technology an important tool in achieving greater efficiency and productivity. Next one is new product, services and business models. A business model describes how a company produces, delivers and sells a product or services to create wealth. Information system and technology are a major enabling tools for firms to create new products and services, as well as entirely new business model. Example: Apple, iPad, iTunes, iPhone, iPad, Google's Android operating system, and Netflix. Next one is customer and supplier intimacy. Serving customer well leads to customer returning, which raises revenue and profits. Example: high-end hotels that use computer to track customer preferences and use to monitor and customize environment. Intimacy with supplier allows them to provide vital inputs with lower costs. Example: JC Penney's information system, which links sales records to contract manufacturers. Improved decision making. Without accurate information, managers must use forecast-based guess luck. It leads to overproduction, underproduction of goods and services, misallocation of resources, poor response times, poor outcomes, raise cost, lose customers. And next one is competitive advantage. Delivery better performance, charging less for superior products, responding to customers and supplier in real time. Example: Apple, Walmart, UPS. Next is survival. Business firm also invest in information system and technologies because they are necessities of doing businesses. Sometimes these necessities are driven by industry level changes. Example: cities, banks, introduction of ATMs, governmental regulation requiring record keeping. Example: Toxic Substances Control Act, Sarbanes-Oxley Act. Next topic is perspective on information system. First one is, what is information system? Information system is a set of interrelated components that collect, process, store and distribute the information system to support decision making, coordination and control. Information system can be organized combination of people, hardware, software, communication networks, data resources, and policies and procedure that stores, retrieves, transforms, and disseminates information in an organization. Now, you may ask the difference between data and information. The difference between data and information are: data is derived from Latin word datum, information is derived from Latin word informere. Data are streams of facts, information is the data shaped into meaningful form. Data may or may not be meaningful, information always be meaningful. Input to any stream may be treated as data, output after processing system is information. Understanding data is difficult, understanding information is easy. Data may not be ordered, information should be ordered. Example, survey data. Example, census report. Function of an information system: input, processing, which include classifying, arrange, calculate, and output. And next one is feedback. So this is the total figure of function of an information system. Function of an information system. These activities of information system produce information organization needs. Input, IT capture raw data from organization or external environment. Processing, it converts raw data into meaningful form. Output, it transfers process information to people or activities that use it. Feedback, it includes output returned to appropriate member of organization to help evaluate or correct input stage. Next topic is computer or computer program versus information system. Computer and software are technical foundation and tools similar to the materials and tool used to build a house, whereas information system is defined as a set of interrelated components that collects, process, store, and distribute the information to support decision making, coordination, and control. Next is dimension of information system. There are three dimensions of information system. They are organization, management, and technology. Starting from first, organization dimension of information system. Level in a form. In organization dimension of information system, there are three levels: senior level, middle level, operational level, management. Information system are as integral part of an organization. There would be no business without an information system. Organization have a structure that is composed of different level and specialists. Their structure reveal a clear-cut division of labor. Authority and responsibility in a business firm are organized in a hierarchy or a pyramid structure in a given figure above. Senior management makes long-range strategic decisions about products and services as well as ensure financial performance of the firm. Middle-level management carries out the programs and plans of senior management and operational management, which is responsible for monitoring the daily activities of the business. Knowledge workers such as engineers, scientists, or design products or services and creates new knowledge for the firm, whereas data workers such as secretaries or clerks assist with scheduling and communication at all levels of the firm. Production or service workers actually produce the product and deliver the service. Next topic is separation of business function. The major business function or specialized tasks performed by business organizations are sales and marketing, human resource, finance and accounting, manufacture and production, unique business process, unique business culture, organization, politics. First one is sales and marketing. Its purpose is selling the organization products and services. Next one is manufacturing and production. Its purpose is producing and delivering products and services. Financing and accounting. Its purpose is managing the organization's financial assets and maintaining the organization's financial records. Next one is human resource. Its purpose is attracting, developing, and maintaining the organization's labor force, maintaining employee record. Next topic is management dimension of information system. Management means to manage, monitor, service level, and cost. Management dimension of information system includes manager sets set organizational strategy for responding to business challenges. Similarly, manager must act creatively in creation of new products and services and in occasionally recreating the organization. Next one is information technology dimension of information system. Information technology is the study, design, implementation, support, or management of computer-based information system. It focuses on maintaining the system's hardware, software, databases, and networks with the end goal of communicating to users how to best utilize its functionality. IT infrastructure. IT infrastructure is defined as a system of hardware, software, facilities, and service components that support the delivery of business system. World Wide Web. WWW is defined as a service provided by the Internet that uses universally accepted standards for storing, retrieving, formatting, and displaying information in a page format on the Internet. It refers to the world's largest and most widely used network. Intranet. Intranet refers to the internal corporate network based on Internet as technology. Extranet. Extranet is a private intranet intended to authorized user outside the organization are called extranet. Networks. Network refers to the link two or more than computer to share data or resources such as printer. Computer hardware. Computer hardware refers to the physical equipment used for input, processing, and output activities in an information system. Computer software. Computer software refers to programming code that is executed on the computer hardware that facilitates the completion of tasks by a computer. Data management technology. It refers to a software governing the organization of a data and physical storage media. Networking and telecommunication technology refers to the both physical devices and software that links the various pieces of hardware and transfer data from one physical location to another. Next one is dimension of UPS tracking system. So UPS tracking system refers to online system that allow you and your intended recipients to track the delivery status of a shipment. Organization. Organization include procedure for tracking packages and managing inventory and provide information. Second is management. It include monitor service level and cost. Third one is technology. It include handheld computer, barcode, scanner networks, desktop computer, etc. Next topic is business perspective of information system. Information system is an instrument for creating value. If we invest in information system, then it will result in superior returns. So the business perspective of information system are productivity increases, revenue increases, superior long-term strategic business positioning. Business. Next topic is business information value chain. So this is the figure of business information value chain. So now next one is topic is business perspective. Business perspective call attention to the organizational management nature of information system. An information system represent an organization and management solution based on information technology to a challenge or problem posed by the environment. Similarly, investing in IT does not guarantee good returns. So next one topic is complementary assets. Complementary assets are those assets required to derive the value of a primary investment. Similarly, example of complementary assets is investment in technology and the people to make it work properly. Complementary assets include organizational assets, managerial assets, and social assets. Next topic is complementary approaches to information system. There are two complementary approaches to information system. They are technical approach or behavioral approach. This one is this all three are technical approach and this all three are behavioral approach. MIS. Define MIS as this. Four main actors of MIS are hardware, software, people, data. Socio-technical view. You can learn the definition. Thank you, dear viewer, for watching my video. And socio-technical system allow people to work with technology in the way that benefit the society and advanced organizational goal. So our video ends up to here. Thank